Alright, halfway house. Never got to do a video about where this motor came from. There is a video of it running before I pulled it. We got it out of a 1975 Dodge Motorhome B200 Sportsman. And it was a couple miles from the house, so luckily we didn't drag it here. We dragged it to my buddy's shop, which is about halfway point in between the two. It had been sitting since the early 90s, had a locked up wheel and had 16 5-inch wheels with 26-inch tall tires, and we couldn't find rollers. I think we got steer tires for it, or maybe they held air, I can't remember now, but the rear passenger side, the brake was locked up, so the tire was rolling on the wheel, and at one point it damn near caught on fire, and Tony, the road hazard guy, had to jump out and piss on it so it wouldn't catch on fire. It was a fucking rolling dumpster fire. It was fucking awesome. And I filmed the whole thing, and I fucking lost all the footage, either between the phone I dropped in the lake or the one I sent on a trailer down I-35, I don't know. But I can't find any of the footage. Luckily, Tony has some footage, and he just recently sent it to me, so I figured I'd make a little video about the ridiculousness of it all. I think we the meth heads and the crack heads, so it was very impressive. But let's show the motor real quick. And again, I built this like 2 years ago. It's been sitting out here. I cover it up pretty good, but she's getting some rust on her. But at the end of the day, it's an 85 Ram Charger. It's fucking fine. So anyway, the whole thing was quite the fucking spectacle. But luckily we do have some footage of it. So I'm gonna throw that footage in here now, and I'm gonna cover this thing back up because it looks like it's gonna rain. So anyway, I will see y'all later.
Got brakes? Huh? At least on one side, huh? Huh? It'll probably start spinning here in a minute. This tire isn't spinning. He's drifting.